Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, well here we are again. Another winter blast. Yesterday it was 62 degrees and today, well, you wake up to almost a foot of lake effect snow. So how about that? Okay, so I figured I'll do some video footage of me snowblowing again with my John Deere 3039R tractor. I've got another video out there. I did it about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, snowblowing. So I figured I'll add another one. Okay, let's take a tape measure and see how much snow we got, and go from there. Just over 10 inches of snow. Alrighty, here we are inside, and it's pretty cold out, and I am definitely enjoying having a tractor with a cab. So okay, let's get started and clean this mess up. I'm trying to hold my phone and do this at the same time. Okay, this is my third take. I keep forgetting to look at the camera. It's over here. So I wanted to say thanks for watching my video if you made it this far. I forgot to hit the record button when I had the camera mount outside. What a dope. Anyways, thanks again. And if you find this content fun and kind of cool, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. Okay, until the next video, take care and we'll see you again.